Let's check out this Uwant machine that I just opened out of the box. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna see how it's set up and what it does, because this thing is the first of its kind in our household. It's the first one that we've ever tried that actually has a combination of spot cleaning and it does steam cleaning as well, which I think is a great combo to have in such a small unit. Believe me, I've had steamers before, and these things can get really, really big, really, really noisy, and you know what? Really hard to use sometimes. So let's talk about the actual unit itself here. I've got a release button right there, and we're gonna see this little tank. Love the fact that for a spot cleaner, you don't have two different tanks or two separate tanks to actually contend with. You do have the water tank right here, and this is where the dirty water is going to reside. In the water tank, you need to put some solution. And the cool thing with this is that in the box, they give you that Uwant spot cleaning solution. A little bit goes a long way. Follow those instructions because you don't need to put a lot to actually get that powerful clean. Now, speaking of clean, we're going to talk about the heads that it comes with, because right there, we've got that tube. That hose is super important because it's not just a hose for that vacuum hose, but it also is a hose. And if you see that little white tube in the middle there, you see it moving. That actually has that water and that solution going that way as well. Not just intake, but also outtake. So love the fact that they give you that little cap to protect it when you're not using it, because you know, obviously this is what needs to get protected. So we're gonna put that down. Then I wanna talk to you about this end, which I think is super cool, because you do have a couple, and I mean, we've all seen these before, but there's something that I love about this one here, is that you can actually open it up to clean this surface. I've had other brands, you cannot take this off, and then you got all this junk set up there, and it's really, really hard. Sometimes I'll be with Q-tips and things like that, trying to get that stuff cleaned. Well, you can do that, no problem with this one. And on top of that, you do have the brush here. If I pop that out, I have a different kind of brush. As you can see, super easy. Now I've got the soft bristles, which I think is really cool. And then they even give you another one here. So I've got the, this is kind of a plastic. I wouldn't be using this, for example, but this one here for the steaming. Check this out. That right there has a little bit of ruggedness there, but it's also a nice spongy feeling. So if you are steaming, it's going to help you get that steam cleaning properly, especially if you're doing tiles, for example, maybe the bathroom, things like that. This is definitely what I would be using if I'm using on carpets, if I'm using it in the car, on furniture, upholstery, things like that, right? So let's take this one out, because I'm gonna do a demonstration on a carpet right now. So we're gonna use the plastic one. I think the rubber one is going to be really nice to get into those nice deep fibers. And look at that, so simple. Hook that up, and then again, we're gonna make sure that it's on the right side, just like so, and I'm clipped in. Now you do have two buttons right here before we turn it on, so I can show you the differences. You've got a water and a steam. To activate the steam, all you need to do is double tap the steam. The machine will actually, right off the bat, turn to red. This little, these two little, I mean, you can see them. So it was green. As soon as I press the steam, it'll turn red, telling you that this machine is actually boiling the water, getting it ready for that steam, which I think is great. And then, of course, you can just press the button one time right there back to the water, and it's going to be the water and the solution coming out. Now, the way it comes out spurting out of here. It will get brushed, and then right away, it will actually get suction back out. So the really cool thing is, as you're going down on a carpet like this and you're really working the fiber of the carpet, yes, you're dousing it with water and solution, but at the same time you're extracting that stain and that water. So it keeps it, it's gonna leave it a little bit humid, but it's not completely soaking wet, which is obviously the point. So we're gonna do a few passes with the water so you can actually see how it works. And after that, I'm gonna show you the steam. So it's on. I'm gonna turn on that water one time, just like that, and you're going to see this. Check this out. Okay, wait. Okay, there you go. And as you can see, that water's right there, so I'm gonna go in, look at that. As soon as I press it again, it stops the flow of water, and then I can literally just make sure that I'm going in, and as you can see, look at that. It's grabbing all that water from deep inside the fiber of the carpet, making sure that we're keeping it nice and dry after a few passes. I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want to try another type of head, because you see this one, that's great for carpets, obviously, but if you're doing some really deep cleaning and you need that steam power, check this out. This is probably my favorite piece of equipment right here. This is the steaming head. Yes, you can use it with the other one, but this is really what it's made for. I'm gonna show you exactly, look at this. I'm gonna actually put that in there. This thing comes with everything. This is what I love about it. So we've got the brush, the nice soft bristles. I wouldn't necessarily use it. Of course you can, because why not, right? You could use it if you've got a really nasty kind of like stubborn stain on here, but I could use it on some hard surfaces, on tiles, on grout. It works incredibly. So we're gonna try it now, see how long it takes to actually steam up. We're gonna double tap. And there you go. Right now, as you can see, that is pretty fast. So obviously, what did it do? It stopped the vacuum because I don't have a vacuum attachment on that head. And look at this, guys. A little bit of water, sure. But really, I'm gonna be very careful, but really quickly, there we go. I'm all steam now, all steam. That was, I mean, I'm gonna turn it off because I don't know about you, but that was fast. That is the fastest steaming machine I've ever seen. So literally took 12 seconds, maybe 15 seconds from the time I put it on steam mode for it to actually create that steam and start working right away. So you're not gonna be waiting around pressing the power on and kind of like having to walk away. If you're in the cleaning mode, this thing is definitely going to assist you in all of those aspects. I love how compact this machine is. Love how really, really small it is. It does come with a cool attachment right here. If you put that in, obviously you are going to be coiling that outlet cable right there. It does come, like I said, with all of the attachments that you would require for it to work properly. It does come also with the solution, which I think is a fantastic little bonus. But knowing and seeing how small of a compact little machine this is, but how much it packs a punch and how quick it does it, I'm thoroughly impressed. And yeah, this thing can work all around the house for us. Fantastic.